everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I'm going to do a little bit of work on the cover on my Redwork Journal. So this is what I've done so far. Last time you saw it I still had a bird to stitch down and a wing and another wing I think, but they're all done now. So what I was thinking I could do is do some sort of branch type embroidery for the birds to sit on. So to do that I thought I would do that same sort of style with the chain stitch and then whip it to give it a bit of dimension, but so that's what I thought I'd do today. So I'm just going to draw in some sort of branchy thing. That can go down there. But yeah, I haven't worked on this for ages. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'm just going to have to do it, I suppose. And then up here, and then one coming down here, around there, maybe a branch down there, and then I'll just have to stitch over that because it's too hard to draw on. That can go around there. Okay, now I think I'll use the Appleton wool. That's too orange. Let's have a look. I think I should have a reddy sort of tone in here. Not really. So maybe we could do a brown. That one. Or the other one. I think I've got another sort of browny coloured one. What is that? Or I could do green. Let's see if we got in here. Those are all very green. Okay, so it's going to be one of those two, and I think it's going to be that darker brown. Okay, that can go there and there. Right, so to open this little skein up. Find an end. Oh yes, these ones are already cut, so that's great. Okay. Right, let's get stitching. Now needle. Might go for that one. See what that one will give us. I hope you've all been well. We're all well here. I think Mother Nature's a little bit confused. She doesn't know what she's doing with the weather. It's hot and it's cold and it's hot and it's cold. So, yeah, who knows? Let's maybe just start down here and travel up. Yes, I don't think she knows what's going on. that's okay. We're certainly into, it's probably a bit big, into spring, but it's, oh, but then it's cold this morning, so I don't know. Okay. So I'm just going to do the branches in this brown, and then I'm going to whip it like I did with the other ones, but I may just whip it in the same colour just to make it a bit more, a little bit, what's the word I'm looking for, a little bit more prominent would be a good word to use, so that you can see it. That is the plan. So this is my last week as full-time for my manager role. My contract comes to an end next week, as far as I know, but that could change. Our regional manager's coming in today, so he may have a different plan, I don't know. Anything could happen. I like the idea of going back to part-time because that will give me more craft time, but less surplus funds to acquire stitchy stuff. But we will wait and see what happens. So I did a little bit of work on, no, that was the other project. I thought I'd done some other stuff on this, but I haven't. I've got the Redwork piece that I'm doing and the embroidery, which those 2 pages I need to crack on and do some more on. And get those done. I haven't even put the pages together for this book. I've only done the cover and a couple of pieces, but I think I'll do the same type of accordion fold pages rather than the other style that I had with my rainbow lookbook, which I've now changed to the accordion. So I do like a good fat journal, but that was just silly. It's huge. Okay, now we'll go along that line, just under little birdie's body. What else has been happening? Not a lot at all. Nothing exciting to report. Just work home, work home, work home. Okay, what I might do is pause the video here, carry on doing my branches, and when I come back they will be all done. I will be back in a moment. Okie doke, I have finished my branches using the chain stitch, and I think I might leave it with the chain stitch because it gives it such a different look, where if I whip stitch it, it will become a sort of a seamless, but that looks good. I'm happy with that like that. Now I don't know what to do next. I was thinking some little, maybe, where's my needle gone? No, there's not a lot on there, but I will use that little bit. Actually no, I won't. Maybe just some little twigs coming off that I could probably put some leaves on. Maybe. Let's just see what a couple of twigs look like. Probably won't even be able to see them on this part. Whoop. Oh, it wasn't big enough. I just went all the way through. Let's try that again, shall we? Okay. Let's see. Which way? Don't suppose it matters. They don't have a uniform way to go, do they? They go every way. Just do a couple of straight stitches, and they'll have to be quite long because of the size of the birds. Something a bit more proportionate than just little wee ones. And I might do one coming off there, going this way. Another one here. One going up there. Maybe one on the end. Back into there. Down here. Right, so what I'm going to do is I don't even, oh yeah, you can see them. I'm going to carry on doing my little sticks off my branches, and I will leave it at that for today, but next time when we come back to this project, that part will be all done, and then we can move on to something else. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.